My name is Kayleigh. I've been concerned about my hairline since I traveled down this road about 8 years ago. I'm finally going to do something about it. My main concern is when I'm out and about and I'm not wearing a baseball cap or a hat of some kind. I like to be able to pull my hair back, or if I'm out in the wind, not worry about not being self-conscious about being able to go outside and walk around without holding my hair down like this if the wind is blowing, or wearing a baseball cap. Right now I feel I have a masculine hairline. As I said, it's a widow's peak. I have a brother who's like this, and if I didn't start down that road, I probably would be there right now myself. But I do want to have more of a feminine hairline that helps me blend in more with society, with being who I really am. The caps are gone. I don't need them. I'm psyched. I mean, this is only 4 months, and really in the last month, this just poof, it just started growing. It's just crazy. Both sides. It's only gonna get better. It's only gonna get longer, and the wind can blow in my face. I'm amazed. I'm ecstatic, and I can't wait for another 2 months to go by and see where I am. It's just great. Now, in last month, I've been swimming a dozen times. Don't even think about it anymore. The cap, I mean, as I said, I always had caps in my car, in my house, a cap when I was gone. I don't wear them. I don't need them. I can, the wind can blow back and I don't worry about it anymore. It's a peace of mind. I mean, it's literally a weight off my chest. That is definitely true. I'm psyched.
For many people, hair transplantation is in some ways a finishing touch. Transgender confirmation surgery or sexual confirmation surgery is a very meaningful part of a person's life, of course, and often the way a person presents to the world is how their hair looks. When I have worked with transgender patients, it's incredibly gratifying. It means a lot to the patient. It means a lot to me. We bring tremendous compassion, tremendous attention to detail, and really meticulous care.
It's been 12 months. When I first came here, I had to wear a baseball cap pretty much all the time, especially if it was windy. I was afraid to go swimming, afraid to do a lot of things, but now I can go out. Who cares how windy it is? I can swim in a pool and not worry about it. It's brought back the confidence that I lost, and which is a big deal. My experience has been wonderful. The staff here is great. Dr. Boden has been wonderful. The results are amazing. And as I said, no more baseball caps. I'm confident to go out. I can get up in the morning and just, pull my hair back and leave the house, which I would never do before. So